Hello everybody and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. In this one I'll be reviewing my latest game written in Quick Basic. I call this one Infiltrator. For any of you that are interested, you can download the Quick Basic emulator from this website. I'll include the link in the description below. I'll include the link for you to download the game in the video description. I won't be including the original source code though due to copyright. I will include a link for you to download the game engine I wrote that I based this game on. What's this game all about, folks? We're going down to cellular level into the human body, into inner space, where we'll be fighting viruses and bacteria. How appropriate for this day and age we're living in right now. Lots of parallax scrolling again, some eye candy, huge colorful sprites, a nice soundtrack and new sound effects. I'm also including a new feature. You can move the ship forward, which you'll see in the demonstration. You'll hear new sound effects in this game as well. In Infiltrator, you can now move your ship, not just up and down, but forward as well by pressing the semicolon key. And otherwise, the game controls are the same as they are in Jupiter 1 and 2.
3,
Let's start.
2, 1.
I'm just going to mute the music and sound so that you can hear the voiceover. And yes, folks, those are all nanobots attached to the critters. I've introduced huge colorful sprites in this one, and also they flash white when you hit them with the missile, and the same happens to your ship if you get struck by any of these enemies. I'm using 3 layered images over here in the foreground, middle ground and background, if I could call it that, for a nice colorful parallax effect. Oh, just got the extra life over there. And then the boss in these levels is a cluster of viruses attached to a healthy cell. So the ship is drifting backwards, so it was, until I got struck over there. So let's move forward, and then you'll see the ship will start drifting backwards again. Also, I noticed Quick Basic supports transparent PNGs, so I didn't have to set transparent colors in the code. And that's got the added bonus that your graphics look a lot crisper. They don't have pixelated edges. So standard transparent PNGs will work, folks. Oops, just gained and lost a life there. And as with the previous games I've released, you can change the sound effects, soundtrack and images, as long as you stick to the same file names, and when it comes to the images, the same width and height, and it should work. I'll release the code of the game engine that I used in Jupiter 1 so that you can see how to do this. We're on level 3 at the moment, and you'll see when you advance in level, the speed of these viruses from left to right increase. Let's see if I can gain an extra life. There we go. So I'm going to switch the music on, as well as the sound effects. I've also worked very hard on collision detection, and in this one it's a lot more accurate. Let's see if I can beat the high score.
3, 2, 1.
21. To introduce some eye candy in this one, guys. There we go, beat the high score. Let's crash and end the game. And as always, you can enter your initials, and then you've got the option to play again, yes or no. Let's say yes. And in game, you can press the X key
3, 2,
quit.
1.
And it will also check if you have the high score or not at this point. So let's quit the game. That's it for this one, guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed it. Give the game a shot and let me know if there are any improvements that I can make. Let's have a chat in the comments below. In the next video, we're shooting off to outer space, if I could call it that, and we're returning to Mars. Take care. I'll see you in that one. Cheers for now.